what's up guys, it's Chevy Monique, and today I'm going to be doing a really quick swatch video of the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. I'm gonna start throwing in these little short videos on my off days so that I can get at least a video out to you guys, and so that you guys can see the swatches of these products while I'm trying to use it so that I can actually do a review video. So I think this is a genius idea because this is the type of video that I want to see when I want to see quick swatches on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and give it to you like that. And let's move on straight into the swatches. Don't forget to enter my back to school giveaway. I'll link that in the cards. I am giving away all the palettes in the Jawbreaker collection. So the first shade is going to be Double Scoop, which is a mustard brown. The next shade is going to be Orange Crush, which is an orange with gold flecks. The next shade is going to be Foreplay, which is a purple magenta-ish pink type of shade. The next shade is going to be Oral, which is one of my favorite type of shades. It's like a bluish purple, and I love blue and purple. And it's like a shimmery metallic type of shade. Foreplay is matte, in case I didn't say that. The next shade is going to be Purple Punch, which is a matte purple type of shade, more on the deeper true purple type of shade. Slice is going to be a bronze gold type of shade on the deeper gold end of the spectrum. The next shade is going to be Bubblegum, which is your bubblegum pink type of shade. And then we have Bite Me, which is a violet shimmery metallic purple type of shade. And then we have Hot Fudge, which is probably my least favorite, and it's like a brown gray type of shade. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.